We'll guide you through how to answer incoming calls on a Samsung phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's go and say a call starts coming through as it is now. And you're wondering, how do you answer it? You try tapping the button and it isn't working. So we're going to guide you through how this is done. Make sure you pay close attention so you know how it's done, because it's quite common that you may be strong with this. So let's go and get started. So if we go and start the call again, what you need to do is you need to go and you find the green answer button as we were tapping before, and you probably tried tapping it and it's not answering. Tap and then hold. You can drag it in a direction. We'll just do it up. You can flick it like so. And as you can see, we've now gone and answered the call. Of course, you can do it in a different direction as well. I just did it up in that case, but I'll just go and show you that we could do it a different way, like that. And it should go and answer as well, as you can see. If it doesn't, try again doing it harder and dragging it longer.